The client had a vision, though. He wanted to transform this into a rental unit, not just functional, beautiful. This isn't just another rental renovation story. It's about maximizing every inch and creating an experience that people living within will love. When the client approached Euphoria Interiors, his challenge was clear. A small space needed to do it all, provide everything they need, look stunning in photos for rental listings. He trusted us with his vision. The planning started with precision. We began with detailed measurements. Every centimeter counted. The client shared his vision and references, inspiration images showing the aesthetic he wanted. We studied how rental guests live, their needs, their expectations. Then we created a mood board, a visual guide showing colors, textures, furniture styles, and the overall feeling we wanted to create. A blueprint for every design decision ahead. Then came the real work. Small spaces demand critical thinking, strategic planning, zero wasted space. The bathroom design is brilliant and modern, subtle, smart. We installed a partition wall, a simple solution that prevents water from splashing everywhere. Next came the kitchen. Tiny doesn't even describe it. But watch what we did. Inside those constraints, we packed a washing machine for convenience, a concealed refrigerator that doesn't disrupt the design, a stove and oven for cooking, built-in cabinets for storage, a dry pantry unit to keep everything organized, small kitchen, big functionality, perfect for rental guests who want to prepare their own meals. The bedroom is where guests actually spend their time. We created a calm, enduring, and lovely vibe, a space that makes you want to stay longer. The wardrobe is beautiful, mirrored panel doors that make the room feel bigger, a TV unit for entertainment, drawers and cabinets for storage, a dedicated showpiece corner to add character. A custom dressing table with mirror and drawer completes the picture. Not just functional, Instagram-worthy. Here's where it got challenging. The client was incredibly busy. He couldn't always be available for decisions, for approvals, for feedback. When a client isn't present, the timeline changes. Approvals take longer. Communication gets complicated. We had to adapt our process. We made strategic decisions based on his original vision, moved forward even when we couldn't get immediate sign-offs. We stayed focused on one thing, bringing his rental vision to life. And then the project reached completion. The space transformed. Plain walls became a sophisticated rental retreat. Empty rooms became functional, beautiful spaces. Every corner serves a purpose. Every design choice earns its place. The home turned out comfortable, well-planned, and beautiful. And after that, we received client feedback. We're glad to hear your thoughts and are happy that you're satisfied with our work. Olive Retreat isn't just a studio apartment unit anymore. It's a destination, a retreat, a home away from home, a premium Airbnb located in Azizi Riviera at Maiden One. Euphoria Interiors, designs for the heart, spirit, and soul.